Hi, y'all. Today we're diving into something fishy, literally. We're making Sapsap Paksiw, and if you've never heard of it, don't worry. It's as simple as it gets. First up, we've got our star, the sapsap. Now, this little fish may look humble, but it's packing some serious omega-3s. That's good for your heart, folks, keeps it ticking like a clock. Now, let's talk ingredients. We're keeping it classic and simple: salt, pepper, ginger, garlic, and the bold one, black vinegar. It's like the superhero of the kitchen, swooping in to save the day with its tangy goodness. Ginger and garlic? These guys are like the dynamic duo, fighting off colds, boosting your immune system, and adding that zing to your dish top. Now, in goes the fish, a sprinkle of salt, a dash of pepper, ginger and garlic, and a good splash of vinegar. Let it all simmer together. And as it does, you've got yourself a dish that's not just tasty, but healthy too. And the best part? You don't need a ton of fancy ingredients or tools. Just a pot, a bit of heat, and you're in business. Plus, with all those nutrients, your body's gonna thank you. Trust me. So, if you're craving something easy, healthy, and absolutely delicious, Sapsap Paksiw is where it's at. And hey, if your kitchen smells like a fish market afterward, just tell everyone you're bottling essence of Paksiw for the next big fragrance trend.